HVAC killers. We got a short how-to video on diagnosing a hot surface igniter and installation of one. We use the white Rodgers Hotrod. We keep these on all of our trucks. For one reason, they eliminate a lot of extra parts that we do not need to keep, because that will replace 90% of all igniters used across the playing field with all brands. So here you go. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. So we fired up the furnace, inducer fans running. We got a pressure switch to engage. We noticed our igniter is not coming on, and also we wait. Nothing is glowing, and we also can hear the gas come on the board calling for everything properly, but no glow. So we then check for 124 volts, and how we do that is we got our voltmeter checked right here. We unplug the igniter, and then we put our test leads right there coming from the board. We checked, we did have 124 volts, so that proves that the igniter should be glowing. So with a failed igniter, what we'll have to do is remove it to replace. And we're going to change it. We keep these on all of our service trucks. This igniter right here replaces 90% of every igniter you can imagine, including the ones that Goodman uses. And then these will replace it. Comes with brackets that will adapt to that. I'll show you here in just a few minutes. On this particular Goodman unit, we do have to remove the burner to get the gas valve back to get to the screws that hold the igniter. Now we can get to it and get it out. So now I got the igniter out, I'm going to try, if you can look right there, I'm going to try to see if my camera will focus. Right there, you can tell where it is burnt right there in the center. So that being said, now we will replace. So I kind of got that one laying there, and I'm gonna hold this one beside it so you can kind of see. This bracket comes with it. Just mount it on the bracket. As you can tell, it's going to line up perfect. It's going to line up perfect. So this will go right back in there. Then you wire it. So what I like to do is I'll cut these wires off the old igniter and actually tie them to the new igniter. I won't cut the actual clip off of the factory unit. That way it'll clip right back in, and I'm not messing with the factory wiring harness just in case somebody ever has to replace this again and they bring the actual OE replacement. Alright, so we got the igniter installed. See if I can get it to focus on it back in there a little bit. You can tell that bracket lines it back up just perfect. I got the burners installed. As you can tell, I cut the wires off the actual igniter and wire nut them on. I like to use my own wire nuts. It does come with them, but I find these don't hold too good. These are rated more for temperature, but because they're made out of solid fiberglass, not plastic. But we'll strap these up over here out of the way. They'll be just fine. Now we're gonna fire it up. Here's the glowing. So thank you for watching the video. I hope this helps. We'll put a link below where we get all of our HVAC parts, EdmonsonSupply.com. They have thousands and thousands of HVAC parts, also plumbing, electrical supply. They'll ship straight to your door. Tell them I sent you, and thanks again, and God bless.